Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shimon Monet. If you are interested in my first impressions and live demo of the new NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation made in collaboration with Alissa Ashley, our girl here on YouTube, keep on watching. Thanks. Hey beautiful people, so we're going to jump right into this tutorial. I am Shimon Monet. Thank you so much for checking out this video. I finally got it. It's in stores today. Can't Stop, Won't Stop Foundation by NYX. 45 shades, full coverage, matte finish, up to 24-hour wear. Y'all should have seen me because I was in the store swatching like crazy. Because there were just so many shades for me to choose from. Crazy, right? I know. But I decided to go ahead and get the shade Cocoa. I've already primed my face. I will list everything that I used down below, but we're going to jump right into this tutorial. So let's go. Get the sticker off so I can get this out. There we go. All right, let me give it a good shake. Glass bottle, clear plastic cap. It has a pump. Again, there are 45 shades. This foundation was done in collaboration with Alissa Ashley, another fabulous YouTuber and makeup blogger and all that great stuff. So if you guys have not checked out her channel, do yourself a favor and check it out. But I'm going to just start off with one pump. Let's get that air out of this, girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Sometime today, honey. Sometime today. Well, at least I know it definitely was not used before because my finger's getting tired. Like legit. No, for real, yeah. My finger's getting tired. Yeah, I'm being punked. Because there was no foundation coming out. And I tested a whole bunch of shades. Clearly this has not been opened. But y'all, it's not coming out. And I can't even get the cap off. Like, at all. It's not twisting off. It's not pulling off. It's not popping off. Yeah, I literally just went to the store after work to get this foundation. And I got a faulty pump. It's... Oh my God. Did that take like 2-3 minutes? Y'all. I'm glad it came out, but... Sheesh. All right, it's coming out kind of... I don't know. I squeezed 2 pumps. I didn't want to, but... I ain't gonna complain now that she's out. So let's see. Start with the perimeter of my face because that is what is the darkest. This is 2 pumps. I'm gonna wet my brush with my Mario Badescu spray and let's see. I feel like I should have went darker. Maybe not. Let me mix this really good. I feel like I shook it up, but it came out like 2 different colors. I got a few spots on my head that I'm working with. Could put a little more on the forehead. Y'all don't mind my hair. It's a hot mess. But I really want to get this tutorial up. It looks a little bit redder than I would like. But it's lightweight. It has a light little like fragrance to it. It's not bad, but it's something light. I can smell it on the back of my hand. It's a little bit red. Let's see how it dries out. I'm gonna just switch to my beauty blender and blend my perimeter out. It's a little bit red. I think I can make it work. It's definitely a little red, but I'm gonna go ahead and highlight. So that was almost 2 full pumps, focusing it mainly in the lower half of my face and my forehead. Let's see, it did a pretty good job of covering up some of my dark spots though. And it doesn't feel super drying. So for those of you who are not familiar with my channel, hey, I'm Shimon Monet and I have dry skin. So typically matte foundations were something that I stayed far away from. However, as of late, ever since the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation release, I've been in love with that foundation. I've been using it all summer and it's matte. So that kind of made me realize that, okay, maybe I can wear matte foundation. So when I saw that this foundation was coming out, I was super excited to try it. All right, now that it's kind of drying down a little bit, doesn't look quite as red. Quite as red. It's drying down a bit. But I will say it feels good on the skin. I don't feel like I have anything on. I don't. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in Tan. And this beauty blender is from the Crayon Case. And my eyeshadow is also from the Crayon Case. I didn't film it. It's super duper easy though. So if y'all want to see a tutorial, just let me know. It's literally like 3 eyeshadows and a little bit of powder from the contour palette. All right, so that's a real cute natural highlight, but let's bump this up for the sake of the tutorial. Going in with the Fit Me concealer, and this should be caramel. Yep, and caramel. I'm gonna brighten this up a bit. I'm gonna do just a pinch down here for the sake of the video. Be a little snatched. But so far the foundation is sitting perfectly fine underneath this concealer. It's not moving. It's staying put. Everything is blending out flawlessly. Now I will say that I did not get the Can't Stop Won't Stop mattifying primer because your girl has dry skin. So I just moisturized my face with my e.l.f. What is this? The e.l.f. Hydrating Serum. Went in with a little bit of vitamin E oil. I always use a facial oil. So that wasn't anything new. And I used my NYX Tea Tree Skin Elixir Primer. And then I went in with my Baby Skin. So pretty typical for me for my base. All right, yeah, that's the highlight I need. Y'all see that nose? Yeah. I did use my NYX eyebrow gel since, you know, NYX foundation. Just going back over that a little bit with the foundation brush. I don't want it to be too bright down there. Okay, so this is what I'm looking like with pretty much just one really nice layer of foundation and a highlight. I'm going to go ahead and finish my face, and yeah, I'll show you guys what it's looking like when I'm done. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and finished my face, and I'm back in. This is the finished look. And I must say, I like it. I like it a lot. I don't feel like I have anything on my face. As I stated earlier, I don't know if I didn't shake it well, but when I first pumped it out and applied it, it almost seemed like it was almost like two shades that I had to kind of blend together to become one. So next time I use it, I'll make sure I give it a really, really, really good shake. It wasn't super thick. Like, honestly, the CoverGirl comes out thicker, but the coverage was there. It claims to be full coverage. I kind of did almost 2 pumps. I definitely feel like you could really layer this in, like, with a good solid, maybe for me, because I'm not really a full coverage type of girl anyway. So for me, this is definitely full coverage. Some might consider it like a medium to full, like if you build it up, but it covered all of the spots that I had with just the barely 2 pumps that I used. So I like the foundation. Again, I have dry skin, and this foundation was not too dry for me. I will say that it is important, though, your base, what you do for your skincare, what you do to prime your face. So again, I'll list everything below that I used, but I definitely did use a good moisturizer, an oil to get my face ready for this matte foundation. I did not purchase the primer, Don't Stop, Can't Stop, Won't Stop primer, mattifying primer. I don't use any mattifying primers. I'm not trying to stay dry. I'm already dry, so I'm always trying to hydrate. So yeah, I really, really like it, guys. It just sat nicely in my skin. It doesn't feel like it's settled into any lines or anything like that. It just looks really nice. It's super duper light. Again, it doesn't feel like I have anything on my face, so that's fabulous. Retails $14.99, so that's definitely great for a drugstore foundation. Again, 45 shades. Y'all, like, literally, I was in Ulta, first of all, looking rough. Straight from work with that raggedy ponytail, and was straight in Ulta, like, droop, droop, droop. I had some up here. I had some on my hand. I had a couple on my face. I was like looking in the mirror, trying to see, walking around the store, trying to let it, you know, sit and dry, oxidize, see what it was going to do. I was watching countless. I was like waiting for YouTubers, whoever got it early, to post the video so I could watch and see. So I like it, guys. First impressions on the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Rockefeller Records full coverage foundation. I got the shade Cocoa. The number appears to be number 21. The name is Cocoa. It matches pretty well, guys. It seemed like it was a little on the red side when I first was applying it, but as it dried down, didn't seem bad at all. So for my first impressions, I like it. I'm going to continue to wear it, and we'll see how it goes. I'm not really going to get to do too much of a wear test. I don't think it's like, I don't know, 6:30. I think it's like 6:30 p.m. already. So, I mean, I'm home. I'm going to keep it on for a few hours, take some pictures, but I don't think I'm going to get to do a wear test really. It won't really, it's going to come off within a couple of hours, but I like it. You know, I did my face. Only thing I set it with was my Maybelline Baby Skin because I'm wiping it right off. So, and I use this all the time anyway. So that's just FYI. I didn't use necessarily a mattifying spray or a dewy spray. I just set my face with that. So this is what I look like. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you are not already subscribed to my channel, if you like what you see, go ahead and click that button. For those of you who don't know, if you don't follow me on social media, follow me on Instagram for sure. I also have a Facebook page, Twitter. Gotta do better with Twitter, but y'all know. Anywho, I'm not even gonna touch on that. But make sure you follow me on social media. And what was I about to even say? Oh, yes. Sorry, y'all. I'm so tired. So if you're not following me on social media, make sure that you do that. But if you do, then you already know that once I hit 500 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway on my channel. And we're pretty close. I think last time I checked, I was at like 473-ish, somewhere around there. So we're super duper close to 500. So I would definitely appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. You know, if makeup is your thing, it's my thing too. I do makeup tutorials and videos. So yeah, I'm rambling. I'm so tired, but I was super excited to get this foundation. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you got it. Did you find your shade? How, you know, what was your experience like? Did you order online? Did you go to the store? Were you looking crazy like me with all these swatches all over your body? Let me know in the comments. But until next time, guys, be blessed. Love y'all. Bye. Can't stop, won't stop, Rockefeller Records, cause we get down, baby, we get down. Girls to girls, they love us. We stay fresh to death, we the best, nothing less. A can't stop, won't, can't stop, won't, can't stop, won't stop.